Hey friends, I come to you today humble, and I come to you today with some truth and some catching up. So today's video is not going to be about motorcycle riding. It's not going to be about any gear reviews or any of the whatnot. So I want to come to you today and do a little apology and appreciation and some expression. So you guys have continued to follow me here on my YouTube page or Facebook or wherever you're watching this video at, and I don't know, I feel that the last year and a half, I've just kind of I completely reprioritized my whole life, and I skipped some things. I let some things slide. One of the things I let slide was my give a shit towards all of my social media. So if you follow me on Instagram, I try to post every day, but I didn't really give a shit what I was posting or how I was posting it. YouTube, I've kind of just let you guys down. I filmed a couple videos and I left it. I did what I was required to do, and I moved on about my day. And then on my Facebook account, again, I try to post something every day, but again, I left it as a whatever. I'm just posting something to keep the page going. So let's do a little let's Quentin Tarantino and take it all the way back now. In May of 2019, I decided that it was time for me to file for divorce. So anybody that's been through a divorce knows that decision never comes easy. After months and months of thought and reconsideration and whatever else, that's what I decided, and that's what I did. So May of 2019, I packed up some shit and I jumped in my car, and I lived in my car in motels for a little while. My work, I'm fortunate enough that I could go to my boss, and I volunteered to work extra. So Monday through Friday, I just stayed at work. Being a truck driver, I had that option. And then on the weekends, I had to find a place to stay. So between my car and motels and friends' houses, I didn't have any place that was my own. The load of stuff that I had in my car was what I had. That was it. I didn't have anything. I left everything at home. And divorce got nasty. I wasn't allowed to get any of my stuff. If I request any of my stuff, I can't find it. So I just forget that battle, and I just decided to concentrate on work and survival of, not so much I didn't have any problems, but just where to stay and how to maintain the right mindset to continue working and not jump to some rash decisions because I was thinking in a weird way. So what I wanted to come on here today, and I wanted to say, this video is not going to be very long, but I wanted to say, number one, I apologize to all of you that have stuck in there and stayed following my page, even though I'm not producing any content. And same with the new followers that I've got here recently. Hey, thanks for making the effort to go ahead and follow me here on one of my social media channels with no knowledge of where I'm at in life now. So thank you for that. I apologize to you guys for not providing any quality content of any kind. My mindset now, so let's fast forward a year and a half. Now it's October of 2020. Divorce was over and final in July. Had some bullshit odds and ends to tie up through through probably August, but the divorce was final in July, and at that point I started searching for a home to buy. So I bought myself a home. I have a home of my own now. All of my belongings that were scattered from A to B and stored in people's houses and stored in a storage shed and whatever else. Yesterday I made the final trip to go get all of my stuff, and all of my stuff now that I have, it's not much, but everything that I have now is all back under one roof. So with that being said, my mind now is back to focusing on everything's back together, and now we can start moving forward with life. So I fingers crossed, hope to provide more and better content. I've been thinking a lot over the last year and a half. I've been thinking a lot of how can I improve my content, what can I do better. I've still been doing photography, so if you're following my Instagram or my Facebook page, you'll still see that my photography's out there, and I feel that I've improved by having that as an avenue to go to and smooth my mind from any kind of negative thinking that I've been having. So I'm back. I'm gonna slowly come back and hopefully slowly improve content and give you guys something to watch. But again, apologies and thanks to all you guys for following me. You guys give me the motivation to keep this going, and this is like my hobby, and the motivation and the feedback that I get keeps me wanting to produce more and to do more. So thank you for that, and humbled that you guys continue to follow me, and that everybody just didn't, for lack of better language, take a shit on me and just dump me and delete me. So thanks. More content coming soon, and we'll see you later. Again, LM4 Photo. You can follow me here, whatever you're watching me on. I've got YouTube and Instagram and Facebook. I got a stupid TikTok page. I don't do anything on it, but I got it. So it's LM4 Photo across the board. I'd appreciate your follows, and thanks for sticking with me. So we'll see you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.